on the Intracoastal lies 13102 Flamingo Terrace. Over an acre of waterfront land with space to create something truly rare. From vision to form, structure begins to rise. Light finds its way in, crafted with purpose, designed for light, flow, and calm, where architecture, nature, and serenity exist in perfect balance. Nearly 12,000 square feet, where every line feels considered, every space composed. 13102 Flamingo Terrace, a home designed not just to be lived in,